The bird called woodpecker are known for pricking holes in the tree barks to find insects to eat, also known as flickers and sapsuckers. The woodpecker is a beautiful and interesting bird. Woodpeckers are little different from other birds. It has a strong and sharp beaks. This beak is used to remove the bark from the trees, detect insect to eat. It has a very long and sticky tongue used to catch the insects. Their sharp claws help them to hold the sides of the trees. The favorite food of woodpeckers are fruit, insects, nuts, and acorns. These wonderful birds live in the trees in the dense forest. The life duration of the woodpecker is 4 to 11 years. Woodpeckers can often be found in a lot of countries. Thank you. I hope you like my words. Have a nice day.